Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ninda Yantika Putri and my student ID is 0925015101. I'm currently a student in the English department at Universitas Pekalongan, taking the English vocabulary course. Today, I'm going to present my final project, which is an individual video review. In this video, I will discuss 10 essential vocabulary topics that we have covered this semester, and I will also share my review of an academic article about word formation process. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm here to review the vocabulary for one semester in Mr. Ragil's lesson, and this time I'm going to review about clipping and blending. Definition: clipping is the morphological process by which a word is shortened without changing its meaning or its grammatical category. The resulting word is a shorter form of a longer word and is typically used in informal context. If blending is the process of forming a new word by merging parts, not whole words, of two or more such words. Blended words often carry combined meaning. Okay, next there are some example of clipping and blending. Let's take a look. Okay, clipping. Example, phone comes from the word telephone. Mean phone, origin word that telephone, and maths or math come from the word mathematics. Word origin word that mathematics. Fridge comes from the word refrigerator. Origin that refrigerator. Fridge. Plane comes from the words aeroplane. Origin that aeroplane. Prof comes from the words professor. Origin word professor. Okay, example blending. That smoke. Origin smoke plus fog, meaning thick smoke. Brunch. Origin breakfast plus lunch, meaning eat between breakfast and lunch. Three. Staycation. Origin stay plus vacation, meaning a holiday spent at home or local area. That example from clipping and blending. The next, my explanation about clipping and blending. Expression clipping occurs when words that are too long or formal are simplified into shorter forms to be more efficient in oral and writing use. The resulting word usually still maintains the exact same meaning as the original word. Blending often involves the process of clipping one or both words that are combined, then put together into one new lexical. Blending deliberately removes some letters or syllables so that the sounds of the new words sounds more solid or unique. A summary word formation is the process of creating new words of modifying existing ones in a language. Among the many processes in English morphology, two common and dynamic ones are clipping and blending, but involve the modification of existing words but in different structural ways. In the study of English morphology, clipping and blending are two word formation processes that are commonly used to enrich vocabulary. Clipping is the process of shortening a word by cutting part of the original word without changing the meaning, such as changing the examination into an exam or laboratory into a lab for the purpose of efficiency in everyday conversation. On the other hand, blending is a technique of combining parts of two or more words to create a new term that carries the meaning of these original words, such as brunch, which comes from a combination of breakfast and lunch, or motel, which is a combination of motorbike and hotel. In short, if clipping focus on simplifying one word through cutting, blending focus forming a new concept through the unification of several words. The next slide is an academic review article. This time I took one of the article entitled Clipping and Blending Worked in Japanese Internet, slang philosophical perspective. Author Niluh Gede Meilentari and Betty Aritonang. Year of publication 2024. Publisher Mahadaya Journal of Language, Literature and Culture, Faculty of Cultural Studies, Indonesian, Computer University. Research objective. This research aims to analyze the process of word formation through clipping and blending techniques used in Japanese internet slang. This article also aims to review the phenomenon through a philosophical lens in order to understand the nature of language as a dynamic cultural product in the digital era. Okay, next slide. Summary of my findings is there three. One, linguistic process. Linguistic process researchers found that clipping and blending are communication efficient strategies that are commonly used by internet users in Japan. Language 2. Language characteristic. The term formal is often a creative blend of the original Japanese language and foreign absorption that appears spontaneously. And 3. Philosophical perspective. The use of this language is not just a trend, but reflect the way people value reality and through their own modified language. Okay, next slide about personal reflection. This project made me understand that clipping and blending is a natural way of language to be more simple and creative. I thought this was just an ordinary abbreviation, but there is an interesting linguistic patterns behind it. The biggest challenge is when looking for a suitable article, but after finding an article about slang terms on the Japanese internet, I realized that the pattern of word formation is similar in various cultures. This test helped me to be more sensitive to new vocabulary on social media or movies. Learning through practice is much more fun than just memorizing the theory. About vocabulary and articles in this video. I hope this summary can add insight to all of you. In particular, I would like to thank Mr. Regil for the dedication and guidance you gave us during the learning process. Hopefully, what you taught can be a blessing of knowledge for all of you. Thanks for attention. Thanks you for listening and see you again.